It's no secret, but it's also not discussed a whole lot, that space in an RV is at an absolute premium. Every square inch of your RV needs to be utilized correctly, or you will run out of room fast. And in a previous video, I mentioned that you should always have a small toolkit with you to make small repairs and little adjustments along the way. Another thing you're going to want to bring with you is some basic tools. You need to be prepared for a lot of different situations when you're out there, and there's not always a Walmart. One of the most important tools you need to pack is a tape measure. You slide owners know what I'm talking about. You need to be able to put those slides out. But there is an issue when you want to carry tools with you. The toolbox can usually take up a lot of room, and a lot of that room, that toolbox, is just wasted space. So what do? Welcome back, everyone. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and today we're going to be looking at a roll-up tool bag. This is going to be exciting. So a company named UUP reached out to me and wanted me to review this product to show you as a possible solution to our issues when we're trying to bring tools and other items with us, and where space is at an absolute premium. And it doesn't necessarily need to be an RV. It could be a car, it could be a motorbike, it could be a scooter. So here it is. Your tools can roll up into this. I think this is a fantastic idea, and I can't wait to look at this tool bag and see if it lives up to my expectations. And I'm pretty confident that I'm not going to be let down. So let's take a look at this. All right, everyone, so let's get this open and we're going to check it out. We're going to put some tools in it, and we're going to see exactly what all this thing has to offer. I'm pretty confident this is going to be amazing. Here we go. Packed really nicely. I'm a sucker for good packaging. Are you guys? Like the video if you're a sucker for good packaging. We're going to start off with a strap. It has nice clips on it. Set this down here. And here is the bag. This is pretty neat, I've got to admit. Velcro. And clips. Now I'd like to note that this is very well constructed. This fabric is very well constructed. And we open up to this. So as you can see, we have 4 zipper pouches. And looking at this now, you don't have to just use this for tools. We have zippers. The construction is just so nice. Look how wide these zippers open up. Okay, moving along. Oh, we have, check this out. We have Velcro bags with a loop on it. You can use this as a little storage on your key ring if you wanted to, and bring it with you. And when you're done, you can just stick it back in the bag, and there it is. It's safe. And same thing with this, just mirrored. That's pretty neat. I'm already thinking of so many things that I can do with this bag. But wait, there's more. On the back side, you have slots. 5 slots. I can already see wrenches in there. Can you? Yeah, I can. So check that out, everyone. Isn't this amazing? So let's have some fun here. Okay, so I started putting tools in the roll-up tool bag, and it kind of got a little out of hand, but that's great. This is what we're left with. This is everything. Just to give you a little idea here of how compact this is, here is a tube of lap sealant. Yeah, awesome. So let's see what I was able to cram in this bag, shall we? I love how these clips are just so easy to undo. Everything's Velcroed. It's amazing. So here's our pouches again. Let's see what we have in the small one. In this small one here, top zipper, my ODB reader, electric tape, tape measure, an array of marking tools. Now, it kind of got a little out of hand here, but I want to show you what you're able to put in this bag. In this bag, here's a staple gun. And not just the staple gun, but 2 boxes of staples. And notice, I'm not even struggling to put this back in here. On this one, wrenches, pliers, and in our last pouch, vice grips, C-clamps. Look at this. Now, let's flip to the back side. What do you think of that? This is one of those longer screwdrivers too. Really neat because you can change the tips out. That fit right in there. Almost like it was made for it. Now also take note, when you flip this over, nothing spills out. Nothing spills out. And when you're done, we're just going to clamp that together. Put our handle back on. Everything is wonderful. And away you go. This was just a demo of what you could possibly put in here. This isn't necessarily a video on what you should bring with you. This is just a demo. Something so simple as rolling your tools up can save you so much room. And not just that, when you unroll it, you can see everything right in front of you. You don't have to dig, it's right there. This is amazing when you're trying to get stuff done really quickly, and you know by watching my channel that I believe in organization. Organization is key, and everything must serve a purpose, because if not, it's just weight. This is gonna be amazing. UUP, shout out for you guys. Thank you for sending it to the show. And as always, if you got any value out of this video, smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. Is this something that you're looking for? Is this a solution that you may have been seeking? Let's talk about it. Let's get down in the comments and make a few friends and discuss a few things and learn a little bit more. That's the greatest part about this thing, is learning and sharing what we learn. So, till next time, guys, this is Chris from Chris Travels, and I'll catch you in the next one.